Hello traders, good morning, good day. Today is 12th May 2022. I was unable to record it live, so that's the reason I'm recording right now. Okay, traders, what happened to the market? When I was doing a pre-market analysis, I thought the market will be a gap. It was a gap down, but I thought it'll pull back. So we thought we will use a open drive strategy, but the market drastically pulled down because of aggressive sellers. Okay, so that's the reason we used open drive strategy on the PE side. Okay, and we made a decision to take over after this layer. Okay, let me talk to you on this in other chart. Okay, let me explain to you in the other chart. Okay. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty future, guys. Can you see here? Okay, we had an entry here, and I gave a strike of this one, 34,800 PE. 34,800 PE, the entry was 500. Okay, the entry was 500, and all the way it reached to 863. Okay, oh yeah, sorry. Our entry was 37,400. This was not the one. I'm really sorry. So the 500 was the entry, 34,700, which I gave it all the way. He went from 500. He went all the way to 863. Okay, can you guys see here? 863. We got about 363 in wins only in one strike. And today is being Thursday, it's a expiry. And people who traded on the future part, I asked them to trail the stop loss here, and so on. I clearly told them this is a pullback zone. And it pulled back and dancing. And people still holding the future. Okay, you can put your stop loss here. That is 34,088. And from here, okay, this was the actual entry for us for 34223. It went all the way to how much? 34966. Okay, almost 300 points there. Okay, so we got about if futures have taken futures, they got about 300 points, and options we got 300 points only by 1 hour time frame. Okay, we were not much today live. We were doing because we know the market is going to rotate, so no point of staying there. Now the time is 9:10:47. Okay, so no point of staying there. So that's the reason we had to wind up. Okay, so guys, this was a beautiful day for us, and we got 863 points, which is amazing. I gave one more strike also. Okay, one more strike also that is called 34,300 PE. 34,300 PE, if it breaks today's low, okay, that's today's low. If he breaks today's low, that means Bank Nifty, you can go for 34,300. The entry will be 500, and the stop loss, everything is been given there. Okay, you can expect 550, much more range to go. Okay, now the market is rotating, let it rotate. We will not take a random trade. And people who already made good money, thank you so much for sharing your screen. I shared everything in the free Telegram channel. Okay, and what else? So people who made already money, so stay away from the market. Very good. And wait, if I'm able to get a zero to hero strategy call today, okay, I will post it in the Telegram group that is in a private channel. So you can start trading on that. And as I promised, shortly I will be adding the zero to hero strategy in the 1,000 points group. Okay, and people who wants to join the live trade, okay, you have you just have to go to the website. Okay, you just have to go to the website. Just go to the website and then log into my ID. Okay, and you are there. Okay, you can start trading from the day one. Today was a very nice day, being expiry as well. Okay, don't do over trade. People who already money, follow compounding. Okay, that's very important. All right, so this was a short video for the record. I did it because our motto used to make 1,000 points every week, and consistently we are doing it. Okay, consistently we are doing it. So that's the best part of it. We are not going to give up till we make 1,000 points. We will take whatever market can give us in a best way, right? So we will do our risk reward, everything, and then we will take it. We will not do any random trading at all. All right, guys. So anybody wants to join the live trading session, the link is below. Please click on that and start making money from the day one. Okay, happy trading, happy money. Stay tuned, stay connected, and the guys who already opted for it, stay in the private channel. I will try to give if I get any good trade like yesterday. Okay, so we will continue to do some more trade, and we will see how much we can pull the money from the markets. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.